use. It's either 45-degree going down or this one. I think the 45-degree will look better because it contours with the hose. But this one, I would have a space here for my overflow. I would have plenty of space here rather than using this one. Will be on the way. So I think I'm gonna go for this. Multiple cutting and trimming of the bumper. I finally got it on. Got all the brackets all made up, both sides. So now the intercooler is all secured. I got clearances on both sides. So now I'm working on the intercooler piping. Like I said, I'm gonna use this. I don't know about using it on my throttle body because man, that's cast iron. I'm not ready for to do anything drastically big on something like that. I'm afraid I'm just gonna ruin my throttle body, even if I do it from the inside. I don't know. So my plan for today is this one here and this one. I'm still debating if I wanted to use my 45-degree. But this piping, by the way, it's no good. It's too thin. I guess it's okay, but for welding it, man, this thing is dirty. The aluminum, it's just no good. I know I have welded. I'm not a welder, but I know I've welded up on intercooler pipes before, and yeah, this is something else. I'm gonna have some fun with this. Thank God I'm gonna wrap this with the DEI. Anyway, I'm not sure if I should go this way or use that one. Oops. And then this one here, I'm gonna use it right about here, right here. And as far as this one here, I'm gonna use a 2.5 going down and linked up to here. I think I'm gonna use an adapter right here, and then it shoots up. Never mind my weld. This one here, it's just a sinkhole, and it turned out into, it caved in. So I just patch it up, but it will do. If it blows up on me, oh well, I know what happened. So yeah, that's the deal. So I'm gonna need to cut these two and join them together. I gotta find a good spot to cut these two. Okay, I think I'm gonna start right here. Then, yeah. I gotta do a 45-degree on the other end. It fits. I'm gonna attempt to weld this one first. See if I can do it without putting holes in it. This one is not as bad material. I mean, it's not like the intercooler. Yeah, this one is good. Well, I'm just gonna show you after I get done. Take forever. Okay, this is what I come out on my inlet charge piping. I thought about using a silicone coupling right here, but I couldn't do it because of it's too close to the manifold. It's being too close. The reason being is my oil drain. I have to play around with it. It's fighting also for a clearance. You know, when I had this intercooler where the inlet is on top, I think it's better up that way because I do have room here, but it's too late now. I couldn't go back anymore. I don't want to keep redoing things, so I'm stuck with it, and I can make it happen. So I'm using a 2.5 pipe right there, and I'm using the Epman Hd V clamp, as you can see. I'm gonna be the guinea pig. Okay, and it merged into step up to 3 inches right here. 2.5 to 3 inches. Since I'm using a 2.5, this is a little bit thicker. I can weld this one here, thick material right here. Yeah, I guess I didn't pay attention on the thickness on the on this pipe. Compare the two thickness. You can see the difference. I was paying attention on the price, not the quality. I didn't even pay a good attention on the description. And this is 1.8, and I think that's 2mm, the 2.5 one. That's the old pipe I had. Okay, so I'm gonna tack that one, and that will be next. The Hd V clamp, the replica, I put a material, a cardboard. I think this is probably like 1/8 of an inch or quarter, not even a quarter. But I filled up that material, so that will be my clearance as far as, like, you know, going on and up, on and up. But since I'm using this, the silicone, it would not matter. I can always adjust it with this. Well, you guys have seen so many times I weld, so a weld that I'm not be proud of anyway. Well, just for kicks. I think I'm gonna do it inside. Here's what I did to my compressor side for the inlet charge. Never mind the weld. This aluminum weld is just it's kicking my ass, man. I had to polish some of it, well, just to make it look better, that's all. I'm gonna wrap this with a heat wrap. It's because it's facing right next to the radiator, so it's blowing hot air through it. Yeah, once everything is finalized as far as like the ducting, and I'm ready to give it a start, we'll wrap everything and secured it in place. So this end will be terminated with the, or this will be a reducer or a stage up from 2.5 to 3 inch. And I don't have a bead roller, so what I'm gonna do is just gonna put some weld around it, and then that should hold it, that silicone right there. I wish I can put another one of these Epman clamp. It should be put on here, one here and one here, but since it's right next to the manifold, I just couldn't do it. And also the reason why I ended up welding another pipe and extended, it's because I couldn't put a silicone hose on it because it's right next to it. Yeah, I'm afraid it might get melt or something. And here what's going on with my outlet or inlet, the cold side. I'm about to getting ready to weld this too, just stack it in place. And there's another clamp right there, one of those Vagin clamp. I have to change my radiator hose. I didn't anticipate that I should have waited till I put this on. It turns to be too short. Right now, it will be, I could use it, but be right there. But this one is too close, and it looks funky in an angle like that. It should be straight. It looks better when it's straight. So yeah, that's what's going on now. So I'm going to weld this bad boy. And here's my cold side. Not a pretty weld, but it will do. Just like so. Let me put it on. Okay. That's this one here. This Vagin clamp is a little bit of a, it's not really that easy to put on. It just requires some finesse. Everything has to be straight. Like everything has to be aligned. Otherwise it won't go in. Yeah, I was doing okay here, you know, because I cleaned this up with stainless steel wire brush, and I was doing okay. But it's just a little bit a race of material, so I just kind of polished them up, just buffed them up a little. But the bottom there is like, it's unbelievable. I just could not get the damn thing cleaned up. There's a section that I could see the puddle, you know, the pool. And all of a sudden, it's just, the dirt is just, it's unbelievable. I can, anyway, but there it is. Got all the intercooler piping all done. It's all mocked up and everything. All it needed is just a few clamps here and there. And this is my Vagin clamp. Right there. So whenever the motor flags, it should also move just a little. I'll be the guinea pig for that brand, okay? And also right there, Epman, got the clearance there. Yeah, right there. And I also put on the fitting for my wastegate. and I think I'm good to go. The yeah, welding that aluminum is proved to be whoo, it kicked my ass, boy. But I'm learning though. Yeah, I just could not figure out why I got it made on this side, but on that side it just would not do it. Oh well. Yeah, I tried to mess around with my the setting as far as like the clearance effect and everything, and whenever on a 3 side, that's the best one there is. But somehow that'll be next time. But I'm like I said, I'm learning and having fun, so that's good enough for me. That's all that matters. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here, and thank you guys for the love and support and all the likes and everything, and I'll see you guys back on the next one. Bye everyone. I'll see you guys back.